Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If your Mozilla Firefox browser keeps freezing and displaying a warning unresponsive script error, it means a web page or an extension is running code that is taking too long to complete. I will show you exactly how to adjust your browser settings and extend this script timeout limit right now. Let's get started. First, this error is frequently caused by a broken or overly aggressive ad blocking extension that is stuck in a loop. Click the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of Firefox and select Add-ons and Themes. Toggle off all of your active extensions, especially ad blockers or script managers, and refresh the web page. If the error disappears, you can turn your extensions back on one by one to identify the specific culprit. Next, if the page is simply heavy and needs more time to load, we can manually adjust Firefox's strict script timeout limit. Type about:config directly into your address bar and press Enter. Then click Accept the risk and Continue. In the search box at the top, type dom-max_script_run_time. Click the pencil icon or double-click the value. Change the number to 20 to give scripts double the time, or set it to 0 to disable the warning prompt completely, and press Enter to save. Finally, your browser might be repeatedly trying to process a corrupted script file stuck in its temporary storage. Click the three horizontal lines in the top right corner again, select Settings, and navigate to Privacy and Security on the left side. Scroll down to the Cookies and Site Data section and click the Clear Data button. Ensure cached web content is checked, click Clear, and completely restart your browser to force a fresh connection. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.